Alright, this is going to be another Zippo myth. This one's going to be on using Mr.Clean Magic Eraser as rayon balls. Now this isn't the actual brand Magic Eraser. This is the stuff we use at work. Basically what I did, I just took the Zippo and punched it down through it and got a bunch of cutouts. And then I took it and pulled everything apart and just smashed it and used a flint tube to cut the holes in it. So let's start. We're going to take this apart. Make sure we don't lose the flint. Let's get this wick out using the EDC for today. Solid Flash 1. And it's not as sharp as it used to be, that's for sure. Come on. Alright. As I always do, brand new wicks. I'm not putting a brand new flint in because this one's pretty much brand new. I'm not putting brand new rayon balls in because that's what I'm testing today. But I am going to use normal Zippo fluid, or lighter fluid, whatever you want to call it. Let's see if we can't. See if we can't make sure this isn't going to be a pain in the ass. Alright. Let's see if we can get this through here. One shot. Come on. Sometimes it is easier to go through the top. There we go. So, if you don't know how to change a wick, this will show you how to change a wick also. 2 videos in one. So we're going to take one. Should have grabbed a screwdriver, a stick, or something to poke this stuff down with. See if this pen will reach in there. Yeah, it will. Let's grab another one. Let's bring this over here. The one thing that worries me about this is, as you can see, the stuff's not very form-fitting. It leaves a big gap in between everything. Let's get one more piece in there. Oops. Another thing about this stuff is it does have chemicals in it, so who knows what that'll do to everything. Felt pad. Put our flint in. Overstuffed it a little bit. Right. Zippo fluid. As I always like to say also, obviously this is dangerous. You know, you don't want to be using stuff improperly. And you can see it's taking the fluid. Whoa. Oh, right there. It's taking the fluid. Not very well though. It's all getting stuck in like one spot. I don't like that. And I'm spilling it all. Oh, no, I'm not spilling it. It's coming out of the way. Now that's extremely overfilled. So this whole thing's going awry right now. So that's not good. And that's the wrong way in the case. By the way, I got like the rustic style on this side. This is that custom Zippo I've been messing with. And then slightly polished on this side. I don't know what looks better, the slightly polished, like the completely flat rusticated look. I don't know. Let's see if this even lights. Oh, well, it does light. It's extremely overfull. Probably light the lid on fire if I do that. Well, it does pretty good. Now, as you can see, when it the lid lights up like that, it means you're over full, which is extremely obvious. Seems pretty good so far. I don't see anything wrong with it. Not really dripping out, so no problem there. So I guess if you're in a pinch and you wanted to use this, if you had this lying around and you didn't have any cotton balls, you can use some of that. Basically, this is what it looked like when I was done. I punched, punch cut it and pushed the tube through to create the little hole, and then you're good from there. You just shove it in. Let me get a close up just in case. Come on, focus. You can see it's pretty porous stuff. Get an even closer view. Nope. Well, as you can see, it's pretty porous stuff. It's basically just foam with like pockets of air in it and stuff. So, yeah, extremely overfilled. But it works great. Now, I'll probably post an update, or after a while, I might not even post this video for a while, so there might be a thing at the end of this video saying, yeah, that stuff mixed with the lighter fluid rotted out the inside of my case, or whatever it may be. But, I don't know. Rustic polish, or just straight rustic? Rustic polish, or straight rustic? Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Don't try this at home. It's dangerous. But, so, magic erasers, rayon balls, I'd say it works. Unless you overfill it like crazy, like I did. So, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Alright, what's going on, guys? Alright, well, it's been like a year and a half since I recorded the first half of this video. So, I had to retest it and all that stuff because I couldn't remember what happened. I've been really busy, so I haven't been able to post anything. But, retested it, and it works, and the lighter worked after, refilling it and everything. So, the chemicals in the erasers didn't really do much. But, it only lasted about a week. so of a week of no use at all, just filling it up and setting it down and leaving it. So it's not the greatest source, so wouldn't recommend it. But if you have nothing else, then you can go ahead and do it up and see how you like it. But thanks for watching, and I hope I can post some more videos that aren't 2 years apart. So thank you.